Every year, thousands of dollars are spent on every imaginable diet program, slim down products, and weight loss pills. For many women, money is no object since the need to shed those extra pounds far outweighs any concern for finances. There are types of food that can actually curb one's appetite and stop your sugar cravings. These food groups also boost metabolism, which helps consume storage fat in the body, which in the process leads to weight loss. There are some of the good food that should be part of the Weight Watchers eating plan. Number 1. Beans. Beans contain cholecystokinin, a digestive hormone that acts as a natural appetite suppressant. Beans also keep blood sugar on an even keel and helps stave off hunger longer. High-fiber bean varieties can even lower cholesterol levels. Number 2. Salads. Eating salad is highly recommended by the American Dietetic Association because the vegetable-based meal is rich in vitamin C and E, lycopene, folic acid, and carontenoids. However, it is best to cut down on the dressing when eating salads. Some salad dressings can actually be high in calories. Number 3. Eggs. Eaten in moderate amounts, eggs are good for health since these contain protein that helps prevent spikes in blood sugar. Weight Watchers are often advised to eat only egg whites. Number 4. Green tea. This type of tea is an antioxidant and helps stimulate metabolism, which in turn burns fat. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins. Number 5. Soup. Having a little chicken soup is good for the body because it helps decrease hunger. Chicken soup is considered a folk remedy for colds and flu. Number 6. High-fiber cereals. Cereals, which are high in fiber, help improve digestion and are good for reducing hunger pangs. Number 7. Tofu. If you eat tofu, you tend to eat less food. Tofu is considered as an appetite-quenching protein. Number 8. Lean beef. Lean beef contains an amino acid called leucine, which helps provide energy, regulate blood sugar, and repair muscles. Number 9. Olive oil. Cooking food in olive oil is healthy because it contains monounsaturated fat, which is widely accepted as a product that helps prevent cardiovascular disease. Number 10. Pears. This food is good source of fiber and fructose, which doesn't cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Number 11. Nuts. Research released by Perch University showed that adding about 500 calories of peanuts to their regular diet helped them eat less food that could cause weight gain. Number 12. Vinegar acetic acid. Vinegar acetic acid found in vinegar slows the passage of food from the stomach into the small intestine, thereby causing a feeling of fullness in the stomach. Vinegar also helps improve blood glucose control, which is needed by diabetics. Number 13. Red hot pepper. A bowl of spicy chili can help a person lose weight due to an ingredient called capsaicin. This ingredient actually helps suppress appetite. Indeed, being in control of one's weight involves the simple act of choosing to eat good food. Having a regular exercise program and controlling the number of calories consumed each day will go a long way in helping a person win the battle of the bulge. So that's it, guys. Just add those products into your daily diet and it will be much easier to control your weight. Don't forget to subscribe and push that bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Be and stay happy.